My name's Jennifer Lyle. I'm with Live Healthy, and I'm an independent sales associate for the Richway product line, which includes the far infrared amethyst biomat, as well as the Alkalive water filtration system and the bioacoustic mat. Today I'm going to be showing you what's inside this box and telling you a little bit more about this product and how you might want to use it in your life. So let's get started. So first, it obviously comes in this box. This is the professional size model. So the professional size is the size of a massage table. It also comes in the single size. Inside of the box, push that aside, is this case here. And in the case, there is the bioacoustic mat. But before we get into that, let's take a look at some of the other things you're going to find inside. In this padded envelope, you're going to find this is the power adapter. I have the model for North America, so it came with the plug that fits North America, and the plug also has this type of plug for the international market. There is also the controller, which will allow you to adjust the volume level and the different tracks. And it has a plug that's like the old phone jack plug. And then there is an audio cord as well. Then also there is this information package that has information about the warranty, a user manual, product information, and more product information about other products in the Richway product line. So let's just talk a little bit about this product. So it's a bioacoustic mat, so it actually emanates the vibration, the frequencies of music. And the soundtracks that come with the bioacoustic mat were actually created by Dr. Lee Bartell. So he is a PhD, a professor at the University of Toronto in the College of Music, and the director of the Canadian Music Education and Research Centre. So he had a big part in creating the sound and in helping Richway with creating this product. So the bioacoustic mat is something that is really helpful for stress reduction, in training your mind, physical and auditory stimulation, and music therapy. We're going to dive into more about what this looks like now. Okay, so let's take this out of the bag. Okay, so we need to have a seat on it in order for it to start to decompress there after being in the bag for the whole travel time. So now let's hook it up. Okay, so you need to plug in the power cord to this spot here, and the controller plugs in here. There is another spot right here where you can plug in headphones if you want to have use headphones with it instead of having the external sound come out of the two speakers at the head. So there's two speakers at the head, and then there's another massive speaker here in the middle. And so if you think about when you've been driving down, if you've ever driven in a car where there's like a really strong bass and you can feel the vibration of the music, that's what you're feeling is lower frequency from this larger speaker that's here. So the speakers that are in the bioacoustic mat are designed to deliver lower frequency sounds to help with the larger muscles and a higher frequency sound to help with like massaging your smaller muscles. these vibrations stimulate the nerves in the spine, the brainstem, and the limbic system, and that impacts your emotional response. It activates the auditory nerves that connect your muscle tissues, and the low frequency bass causes the muscle tissues to be at ease. Okay, so on this controller, there are 4 different settings. There's energizing, relaxation, sleep, and stress relief. You can adjust for whatever type of music it is that you want, and they will have different frequencies and different types of sound in order to get you into a different state of being. Now, you can also adjust the volume level and the intensity of the vibration out of this big speaker that's here. You can also plug in your own music by using that extra adapter that came with it and plugging it into the side of this controller. There's also a timer feature where you can have the mat on for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes. So let's give it a go. So I'm going to turn it on, and it's defaulting to the energy therapy session. And so there are 2 speakers, one here at the top and one on the other side of the top. And then there's this massive vibrational speaker here. And the intention is that that vibration is what helps you to get into that relaxation state. So I can now adjust the intensity from anywhere from 0 all the way up to 30 points. And there's also a volume level that goes from 10 all the way up to 30. And I can adjust the intensity. So if I want it stronger or softer. And I can feel that right below me here. I can adjust the sound to be the relaxed version instead. Which has the ocean sounds. It's really delightful. And then there's the sleep. Also very peaceful. And then the last one is a stress relief. Now you can also place, turn down the volume a little bit, you can also place the Richway Amethyst BioMat on top of this. So you can be getting the far infrared rays, the negative ions from the biomat, and then the vibrational therapy and the sound therapy from the bioacoustic mat, which makes a really powerful combination. Now, this product is available only in the professional size, which is the size of a massage table, as well as the single size. So if you're curious about sound therapy and music therapy, this would be something that would be a really good match for you. So what does this feel like? It's like an air mattress. It is soft and cozy, and it's quite comfortable actually. So let's take it for a spin. Yeah, it's really comfortable. And so the speakers are right here on either side of my head, and then the large speaker would be right under my back. And I'm going to turn it back on, and I'm going to go on the stress relief. Right now the volume's on 4. And I'm increasing the intensity. Oh, I can feel a significant difference as I just went up to 15. I can feel the intensity of the vibration from about here all the way down to here. So it's a large circle. So I feel the vibration in my lower back. It's actually giving me goosebumps from head to toe. Wow. There's something really beautiful about the resonance of the tones of the music. I can imagine that this would be really interesting with headphones on, because then you'd be fully surrounded with that sound. And then it also allows you to enjoy using the bioacoustic mat when other people are around and you don't want to have the music on to disturb them. So it's like getting a lower back massage while you're on this. It's quite delightful. So if you have any questions about the bioacoustic mat or any other Richway products, I'd be happy to answer your questions. This is an absolute delight. If you have a healing space that you'd like to bring some sound therapy into, if you are a practitioner, this would add another phenomenal level to the level of care that you're able to provide your clients and your patients. So if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me. Here's my information with my phone number and my website, and I'd be honored to support you with making an informed decision to decide if this is a product that you'd like to add to your repertoire of health tools to have at your disposal, because I can tell you it will really help you with managing stress, as well as if you have a lot of sleepless nights and you want to just have a little something to help you with drifting off to sleep. It will help you with relaxing and getting into a state of soothing slumber. This is Jennifer Lyle. I am excited to support you with making an informed decision and evaluating if this might be a product that you want to have in your world too.